Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna use this plastic ball as a base for today's work. After marking, I cut the top part to make a cup. I covered the ball with a white cement to create a base. I have decided to add an additional "Did you know" section to our videos so that it can be even more informative. Did you know that this world's largest animal never forget and they have very good memory power? And did you know they can distinguish languages? After drying, it looked a bit rough, so I polished it with the help of a sandpaper. For making the head of the elephant, I'm gonna use this clay. It was my first time working using this clay, so it was a little bit tough at the beginning, but later I learned how to work with it. This clay takes longer time to dry, so I had more time to work with it. The clay was little bit dry to work with and it created lot of scratch while working with it. So I added few drops of water and the problem was solved. It was simple. So I would recommend using this clay. Elephants are also highly social and intelligent animals. So just like apes, they can also support those in need. Elephants are sensitive souls with strong bonds to their family members. So even after a decade, they experience PTSD. Elephants need their elders for their survival and they tend to transfer their knowledge from generation to generation. With the help of a wet bud, I tried to clean the surface of the clay, but I realized that it was also helping to blend the parts of the head. So I might use this tip for future works also. I fixed the legs and eyes, and I also added few lashes. And to know how I made these lashes, you have to wait for future videos. I'll teach you then. It is also found that elephants have better math skills. So maybe next time for my maths project, I could use an elephant to teach a sum or two. Okay. If you know anything interesting about the elephants, then tell me about it in the comment section. Make sure you click that like button, and if you are new, it would be more supportive if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.